Get ready to teach computer science with LEGO Education. South Summit School District is providing its teachers with a unique and engaging professional learning opportunity this spring. This professional learning opportunity is designed to help teachers build effective techniques for teaching computer science, while at the same time building their confidence in their ability to teach computer science. The course is designed to support teachers at any entry point in their experience or grade level. All teachers who participate in this professional learning opportunity will receive a free LEGO Education solution to use with their own learning and will be invited to apply for a classroom set to use with their students upon completion of the course. The workshop will be held on March 1st. Participants will be able to select from one of 3 different sessions based on the grade level they are teaching. This course prepares educators to teach computer science concepts through a STEAM lens, using their LEGO Education solution. It will allow teachers to experience firsthand computer science-focused lessons while exploring the resources available to support their teaching. They will leave this experience ready to teach their first lessons using these solutions and confident in using these resources to teach computer science and computational thinking. The following modules are included in this course: Learning through Play in Computer Science, Getting Started with your LEGO Education Teaching Solution, Investigating Inquiry-Based Learning, the 5E model, Facilitating Learning for Computer Science, and the Role of Teachers in Planning. They will receive the appropriate solution for their grade level to use for their own learning. Upon completion of the course, they will be able to apply to the district for a classroom set to use with their own students. You will also receive lunch and a stipend on the day of the workshop. Your support from LEGO Education doesn't end with your professional learning experience. Once you have finished your workshop and receive your classroom set of kits, you are encouraged to take advantage of the services provided by the LEGO Education Impact Team. The Solution Architect works with you at the beginning of your journey with LEGO Education by helping you design a standards-aligned pathway of learning that fits the curricular vision and goals of your school or district. The Implementation Specialist supports you in the implementation of your vision, providing you with customized support based on the needs of your school or district and periodic check-ins to ensure the success of your implementation. Educator Success is designed to provide teachers with access to our LEGO Education community resources, including webinars, newsletters, and product video tutorials, as well as monthly activities and challenges for students. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope we have answered any questions you might have about this professional learning opportunity. We look forward to you joining us as we begin this journey together.